Well, what kind of advantage do you have for playing them second time around, or how does that help?
I think we got a good feel for how they play, especially since we played them once, even though it was earlier on in the year. But I mean, we're different teams now. We play a lot of different games, and I mean, I think we're a lot better, and they've obviously got a lot better throughout the year too. So I think it's gonna be a good game to watch.
What's the biggest challenge they present in terms of their personnel? Is there something you guys are really focused in on that's North Carolina specific?
Nothing specific. I mean, but they have a lot of talent on the floor. I mean, they can score inside and the outside. They have a couple good scorers on the outside. I mean, Justin Jackson's a good player. Their point guard Barry's pretty good. They have a pretty decent inside presence. So I mean, they're a well-rounded team. They like to be fast. I mean, we can play fast too. So.
On the day, you have a day between games, and last night I know it was up and down, it was physical. What do you do for your body between now and playing another game? Is there something, because it's such a short turnaround, does that even matter?
Oh yeah, just a ton of rest. I mean, it's nothing we haven't done before earlier this year. Just rest, especially it's good that we're all in the hotel together. You know, we eat together. We stretched earlier today as a team. And I mean, we have practice today. We're ready to get prepared for the game tomorrow. I think we have enough time, so it should be good.
You kind of embrace the tough path, having placed UCLA and now North Carolina, two teams that are like ranked in the top 10, but they were both in your bracket.
Oh yeah, I mean, I think it only makes us better as a team playing in these type of games, and kind of brings out the best of us. Helps us reach our potential even faster than we would have earlier. So I mean, the tough pass. I mean, we played a couple good teams like Wichita State's even a good team. Then going to play UCLA and now UNC. I mean, I think we're just keeping getting better.
What do you think about the SEC having 3 teams in the Elite Eight?
It's just proof that SEC is tough. It was tough this year. I mean, we played against a lot of good teams. We just have a lot of tough teams that we play against. I don't think they get as much credit for as good of teams they are, and I think it's starting to prove here on the tournament.
Onion, how much did you guard Justin Jackson that first game?
I didn't guard him too much that first game. He didn't play the fourth all that much, but we mostly had rest going on, and we tried different matchups. We did some switching, and I mean, I know he played really well that first game, but he's gonna have to do that again.
Okay. That first game obviously was 103 to 100, but you don't see a game like that very often.
Yeah, I mean, I don't think I see this game going on to the hundreds like that as well. I mean, I think because we both have more personnel and know each other's teams even a little more better now, better defensive strategies, we have film. So I think it's a little lower scoring game than that.